That's understandable. Have a nice day. Woo! So yeah, mainly context of this game, it's like Ultra Kill, but like third-person shooter, and it was devved by Furries. It's really weird, but it's really, really fun. Oh my god! I'm simultaneously getting my ass kicked. Wow. It's odd. My primary right now is just a shotgun, and when it runs out of ammo, I resort to my other shotgun. Well, I'm primary again, which then has ammo.
You know that firecracker is actually the most manufactured equipment that you guys get.
Pretty much.
I mean, it makes sense. You do kinda dispose of them.
If you like really think about it, if you want range in this game, good luck. Because besides like the Sentinel, you little bastard. Ah!
You know that firecracker is actually the most manufactured equipment that you guys get. I mean, it makes sense. You do kinda dispose of them.
Shut up! Deploy! Now! Applying for a job has never been harder when you fuck up your email. Like... Oh. Now! Bouncing around, I got the MJ slides on. Holy shit! That's it. That's a triple, baby. Question where the hell I went. How does man's go so high? God lord. You know what? Screw it. We're swapping to the shotgun. Everyone's favorite. Never mind. It's not my favorite anymore. Oh, hey, that's a person. That's a dead person. Go. There you are, you little sucker. And eat us. What the that man came out like a bat out of hell, good lord! Legalize nukes. Legalize them, please. Lord, help. Got him. Get out of here. No! We are. You're not part of a simulation. No! No! Oh, what a Merc fleet, dumb fuck. I did so. Okay, I got fractured. I can't say that word on YouTube. Either way, I still can't say it. I don't care what platform I'm on. I still can't fucking say it. Because I get canceled immediately. I don't care. I'm recording footage. So like. No, it's not. It's never that simple. Oh, it's Alfredo. I thought it was Pito. Failure. I got a bigger shot. I got a shotgun that's more powerful than yours. It's like that one video, Crash Bandicoot, just coming into frame that's saying, "My cock is much bigger than yours." Except it's literally just my shotgun.
They're even called dog tags. They don't really look like dogs to me.
Yeah. I'm the one person. I am that one fucking person. Whoa. Oh, out of the sky. Get down, motherfucker. Wow. Whee! Yeah, there's triple jumps in this game. Get out of here, pump. I gotta call into the place I want to work at because they sent the email to the wrong goddamn email. Like, I don't know how you fuck up that badly, but that's a pretty big fuck up. Like, when you're you're a million-dollar company, and you send an email to the wrong client because of a typo, when they're first, like, I think that's on me. Oh my god, I just got a double. That was punishing. Jesus Lord Almighty. Don't revive him. Want it. You wanna know how many missions and how tight this man has? At least 2. Whee! Whoa. Woo. Get out of here. Hey, shotgun. You fool. Ah! I was gonna say, I have my slide key bounded. I have my shot key, bounded down, so like, I was gonna say, well, you can't track my movements, but I myself know my own movements. Whoa, whoa, wow. Some guy misspelled chicken nugget. How the hell did you misspell chicken nugget? Hyperspeed. Yeah, that's. I like the versus Windows. I'm not playing a furry game. It's not. It doesn't even have to be furry. There's only 3 pictures of furries in the entire damn game. The rest of it's guns. Listen, buddy. I didn't ask for your goddamn opinion. All I asked was for you to juju on the beat correctly. It's not late. It's, by God, it's not late. Other beat is literally 9 o'clock where you're at right now. Sit your ass down. Oh my god, the Gamma Slug is overpowered. No, fuck. What the fuck? Oh my god. No wonder they were joking about hyperspeed. That guy really is fast as shit. I don't care if these videos get copyright claimed. Like, these games fun as shit. I need more. Yeah, especially when I get, popped a cap in the back of my fucking head. If you're questioning why I look like a blue femboy right now, don't. I'm not. I'm really not. the cool. I don't like anybody like calling me a Kool-Aid looking femboy. What the fuck? Not much, apparently. Why? Yeah, what the fuck? Kool-Aid's blue, mac and cheese. What Kool-Aid's blue, and how the fuck is he a femboy? I'm not asking you the questions. I'm asking Failure the questions. I give a shit less about you. Failure, we made a terrible choice of joining. I want to go to another game after this. I'm going to another server. It's too fast. I killed Christian Nugget. That's what I'm gonna call him now. It's not Chicken Nugget, it's Christian Nugget. He's a nugget made of the pure Christian loaves. The Christian did. Wow, I actually did. That's a double kill. My shotgun is much bigger than yours. Fuck. Oh, this guy did not have a fun time. He did not have a fun time on Zerbone's Wild Ride. Star Cluster. Hey, uselessness. What the fuck? Come up here. Yeah, down, little giggle. Because Failure, once we swap servers, I'm gonna go check recording and make sure that if this conversation transfers over, I'm gonna be fucking impressed. And may or may not have just doxed my name while I'm recording.